kasi yung video namin na talagang hinahanap yung jacket tapos dilipat pa talaga sa ibang lugar para lang hanapin yung jacket. So natouch talaga ako doon kasi hindi ko in-expect na si nanay, hindi ko expect na ako may mga ganitong klase talaga ako ng mga fans. So sobrang na-appreciate ko lang talaga yung ganong klase ng effort kasi hindi siya madali na mag-support. Tapos ayun, si nanay pa, may age siya, diba? Tapos talagang sinusuportahan niya talaga ako. So ayun, gusto ko lang tayong kausap sa pagtulong talaga sa pagbigay ng gift. Na red jacket na talagang hinahanap niya kahit saan. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa
bench. Pero binigay close up.
Step 1, yung dalawang kamay mo lagay.
Ano kaya yung action na yun? Nakamuso, nagtakip ng kamay, ibigay. Ano kaya ang sagot ng bawat?
Huwag kang babalik una, please!
Ano?
What the fuck?
Kasi step 2.
Itigil mo ang mata mo.
Kumikit ka daw, ano kaya yan?
Iba to. Sway ka ng left to right. Wow! Tapos step 4, binubukas, sara ang bibig.
Ano kaya ginagawa mo kung gumagano ka? Ganyan. Ano kaya?
Pero magaling.
Ganyan yan, tatay mo. Ano kaya yan?
Ano yan?
Okay lang manghula. Go! 9, 8, okay lang kayo manghula.
6, 5, 4, 3,
May sinabi siya, ano yun? Sex is wrong. Pero malapit na, the correct answer is singing. Oo.
Sabi ko pa naman kanina, madali lang. Pero parang mahirap nga yun.
Very bad yung kasama ng person. Ang maganda dyan, panalo silang naman. Thank you so much sa ating players. Let's have a quick photo of with Sir Felipe sa ating first batch of players. Itaas lang po natin ang mga frozen package natin. Okay, everyone smile. Para kayo smile. Alright! Grabe ang friends ng game na yun. Si Sir Felipe. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much. Sir Felipe and ang aming mga guests. Maraming salamat. Close up your break of the ODA Council within us mga batang mangyan or young at heart kagaya ni Lola Felipe. So are you guys ready to experience more intense kilig? Ay, parang di kayo ready. Ready kayo for more intense kilig? Alright, for more intense kilig, Sir Felipe, ilalagyan mo na namin kayo panaganda. Huwag kayo mag-alala, babalik pa si Sir Felipe. Okay?
Alright.
Parang nabinilong si Sir Felipe na, parang nagpamahal. Alright, 18! Nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? Parang gusto ko siya, hindi ko Kensan. Kensan. Our first question is from our friends from Tribune. Nasaan po si Sir PJ? Sir PJ, kamusta po kayo? Sir PJ? Okay, Sir PJ. Ayun. Okay. Okay, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A naman tayo. Okay. Thank you so much for support. congratulations, of course, to Donnie and Joy. Congratulations for moving to Israel. Okay, so first and foremost, so my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and Joy. Is he or she more of intense red or fresh blue kind of person? For context or salit kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yung daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos yung cool green, yun yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano ba yung extreme mo with Donbell? Ano ba yung nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool blue? Tama ko? Yeah, first, my question is Donbell. For Donbell na, okay. For Donbell na, okay.
Intense red
Or cool blue.
or cool green.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, sakto sa set natin?
Parang both eh. Both, yeah. So bakit naging both?
Mix ng kailangan.
Being intense and cool at the same time.
Oo, gano'n.
Yeah. Diba?
Dapat may qualities to mag-go.
Okay. So totoo ba yun sa social media? Is that true?
Sa napansin ko sa kanila? Or para sa akin ba? Pag ako kasi, chill lang ako eh. So, I think, cool green.
Mag-print na lang, mag-print.
Alright, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, PJ. And now let's hear it from our friend from ABS-CBN. Nandito po si Sir Josh. Sir Josh? Okay, Sir Josh!
Looking for a bundle. This is a clinical partnership with what is the people coming back to collaborate with us. Yeah, we several couple of projects that was close up even projects abroad. I think what we love about the brand is that they always find ways to come up with something new. Like itong ginawa namin music video na to. May choices, tapos di mo alam kung ano mangyayari. Diba? Parang yung audience yung TV na yung next na setup. So, what we love about this partnership is always fresh. There's always something new that it has to offer, and we just love the team as well.
Yeah, and for me, I think it's really important that we both endorse the brand we believe in. And me talaga growing up, I really huge closeness, and I'm so happy to be able to be part of your family. And closer to everyone who is saying, thank you, Sir Josh. Okay, sino po po may questions for our ambassadors? Nandiyan po ang ating microphone, I think. We have our friend from Inquirer. Nasa po si Miss Jessica. Hi, Miss Jessica. Hi, first of all, congratulations po to the three of you. My question po for Donbell.
Parang almost the same, right?
Siguro yung taste lang. Taste ng story. Kasi pag movie, diba, mas longer. Pag music video, talagang every moment counts. So,
Saka itong music video, parang walang dialogue eh. So you really have to express it.
hello, Dorian. It's Angelica. Hello po. Pamilya si Tata. Hi, Florence and Donbell. Congratulations. The question would be for Kelly. Diba, like, hindi lang po.
Certain music is what I listen since I was a kid. So, hindi ba na especially si Ben? Kasi magkakilala na kami ni Donnie dati pa lang. So masaya ako, and of course,
Please don't forget to use our official hashtags. Hashtag choose winners, choose closer. Hashtag winning closer. Hashtag closer X Donbell. And hashtag closer X Bailey. Para updated ang ating online friends sa mga kilig moments with Donbell and Bailey. And syempre, speaking of kilig, once again, handa na ba kayo pinigay for our final game? sabihin nyo kung ano yung on top of your mind. Wow, kung ano yung top of your mind. Example na. Okay. Start tayo dito. Sample pa lang to. Magbigay ng love language.
Ano?
Love language. Try ko yung love
So,
language.
lahat-
Okay kayo, ah?
Lahat ko na sasagot same time.
Isa-isa po. Isa-isa. Okay. So, kayo muna ate ha. Kunwari, 1, 2, 3, go!
Pero dapat para may sabihin ng...
Sample lang. Sample ka lang. Sample.
Ay, guys, sorry. Isang buhay lang.
Oo. Pero kung halimbawa lahat daw magaling, tuloy-tuloy lang ng tuloy-tuloy. Lahat ka na wala.
Sabi ng kasama ko, magaling daw siya eh.
Magaling daw siya. Ngayon,
Ah.
kung kayo wala, gusto, uulit tayo hanggang sa may magkaroon ng champion. Okay?
Ay, okay.
Okay, umpisa natin sa pair number 1, Sir Khalid. Are you ready? What's your name? Challengers natin na, diba? Talagang hindi sila magpapatalo. Guys, palakpakan natin, Donald, Khalid, and our Gen Z! Our close of friends. Alright. Register kanina. Sino yung mga nag-register dito? Ayun, ang dami natin nag-register. At nakakuha ng posters dahil we... Okay, our winner number 1, Generals Lakindano. Hello, Generals. Congratulations. Si Generals ay Team Donnie. Team Donnie daw siya. Hi! Let's have a quick photo op with our close-up ambassador. Everybody join the photo! Alright, thank you! Our next winner. Okay, our next... Last but definitely not least, we have Leslie Bautista. Thank you, and congratulations once again to all our winners. Ngayon, mag-selfie naman tayo with the audience.
Okay, pwede ba tayo mag-group selfie, guys?
Yes! Hindi ko po. Hindi ko po.
Sige, ako na lang. Sige.
Smile po tayo lahat.
O, pagbilang ng 3, sabihin niya, Flo.
Mga chulos na ba si Donnie? Ngayon natin malalaman ay mga veterans and dahil na complete na
It's